What's going on, guys? It's Athiva. Welcome back to another video. For today, I'll be doing something special. I'll be making chicken nasi goreng, which is basically chicken fried rice originating from Indonesia. It's usually dark in color and sweet. And this time, I'm actually going to be making it in a bulk quantity, so I'll be giving it out to those who need it. Anyways, let's get into it.
Cut a carrot into small pieces. Shred the cabbage. Cut the pak choy into strips. Get 7 to 8 shallots and cut it thinly. Get 3 to 4 red chillis and cut them into pieces. Peel 6 garlic cloves and mince them. Cut 2 chicken breasts into thin strips. On a hot pan, add some oil and the chicken. Season it with salt and pepper, then add the garlic, shallots and the chilies. Add the carrots and saute it well. Add the cabbage and pak choy. Add the rice. Then add the sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, some salt and white pepper.
And here we go. The chicken nasi goreng is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now, let's hand it out.
There's really something so rewarding about giving something I made with my own hands to those who really need it.